Market situation update, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. Today, cryptocurrency market leading with the Dogcoin. The technical situation here is really captivating, and I'm going to try to break it down. Basically, I'm going to integrate three different cycles, and the way they align with each other, I believe, is a strong case for a bullish campaign. Obviously, we have one already in place. But I started off with the 4-hour chart that for me represents the really short-term cycle, right? And here you can clearly see the pushback coming from the local support level of 1026, right? So 1026 it represents the short-term cycle, immediate support level, and price action is definitely having that reaction. So from a short-term perspective, we're targeting 1083, 1083. That's why we're going to be targeting short-term perspective. Longer-term perspective, we're looking at 1313 level. Right now, I switched to the daily chart, and you can see, price action has been stagnant over the last 10 days or so. Well, once it starts to pick up the pace, we expect price action to start chasing the previous high, right? So we're talking about 1313. That's a big, that's a bunker. That's a strong key level resistance. So for us, that's going to represent the medium-term profit target and also represent the medium-term cycle, right? And this is how it looks like this is the weekly chart. This is how it looks like the long-term cycle. This is where we're coming from here. There's a very wide range that you can track back to early March. Early March, that's where price action began to kind of stabilize in a very wide fashion again, right? It's been very hectic here, but we have been able to capture that movement ever since. We have a solid, strong, very strong support level coming in at 1038 roughly, right? And you can see the effect it has on price action. Price action was actually successful cracking below a couple of weeks ago, but I believe that's a fake breakdown. We saw the pullback, and you can see price action still remaining below, kind of even last week, right? Kind of spiking it, but still closing the weekly bar slightly below. This week is going to be an attempt to crack that level back above and cross over and start marching forward. Now, the way we can filter out some excess noise coming here from the weekly chart regards to that particular level is when we switch the monthly. And I'm going to zoom in. So, so the level is 1030, right? To be precise. You can, it's clearly... we can clearly see it from here. It's 1030, and you can see the pullback we've had this month. Really interesting stuff, right? Very suspicious if you ask me. You can see price action was just this month at its lowest low, right? 0080.47, quite far off 1030, but yeah, it managed to pull back the whole distance, right? Really nice U-turn, and guess where it stabilizes now? And we're getting closer to the end of the month. We still have like 10 days to go, but I have a feeling it's going to stay inside above 1030, and the next stage would be a full-fledged upside reversal. And this is the long-term perspective. Now we're talking about 1870. Right, this is how I close my case. Just integrated three different, time scales, right? Three different cycles. So long-term cycle going to 1870, in case we're going to have here that upside reversal that I suspect we're going to have. Then this is the long-term profit target, 1870. And again, I'm just recapping, right, on everything. Medium-term target. Medium-term target 1313, and then short-term target best observed from the 4-hour chart is 010.83. Alright guys, that's about that for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Moving on to the next video, Forex market coming right up. See you there.